This week we'll be talking about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to a noun or a pronoun. Here's some examples. Myself, itself, yourselves, ourselves, herself, themselves, yourself, himself. Students often confuse the word his self, which is not really a word, with himself. Always use himself. His selves is not a word. Here are some sentences with examples of reflexive pronouns and the nouns that they reflect back to. The first sentence, Sarah tied her shoes all by herself. Herself is the reflexive pronoun and Sarah is the noun that it is referred back to. Fred built the Lego tower himself. Notice the reflexive pronoun himself refers back to Fred. In the third sentence, I baked myself some cookies. Myself is the reflexive pronoun referring back to another pronoun, I. You should buy yourself a new jacket. Yourself is a reflexive pronoun referring back to the pronoun you. We didn't know what to do with ourselves during spring break. Ourselves is the reflexive pronoun referring back to the pronoun we. In the next sentence, Sally, Jane, and Cindy are looking at themselves in the mirror. Themselves refers back to Sally, Jane, and Cindy. The lion cleaned itself at the zoo. The reflexive pronoun itself is referring back to the noun lion. Mrs. Danio said to the class, if you behave yourselves while there is a substitute teacher, I will give you extra recess when I get back. The reflexive pronoun yourselves is referring back to the noun class.